Okay, family and friends, so in this video you're going to see the 100% completed bathroom. So stay tuned as you watch how we renovate this 105-year-old bungalow while we wait for winter to pass so we can get back to our off-grid property. Stay tuned. Crowding has begun, and it is 4:35 in the morning. Oh, one wall. Looks good. Looks like it's bleeding gray blood.
It's curing.
It's 11:21 and it's done. Just getting the very final wipe down of the tile. It's so pretty.
Yeah, we taking baths by this afternoon.
And then we have to go get a new shower
Downspout and shower.
and a tub
Upper spout, shower spout.
and a tub spout, right? Because we're gonna replace that.
The curved nipple is not long enough because we added a ½ inch then the tile. So we got to get at least an inch longer.
Okay,
So,
but it's done. Ta-da!
starting to shine.
We are moving on to doing the floor. So the toilet's out. We're using a porta potty, and he's putting an underlayment that goes under the tile.
Gotta get it cut correctly. That's correctly. I'm gonna take more out of this.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I gotta go back to work. I love you, hardworking man.
Okay, thank you.
How long will this stuff stay wet?
5-10. 5-10 minutes. Wind will work with it. I need to mix up more.
I can scrape that if you want to go mix up more. Get it all even. Start bringing it back. I know how to frost a cake. All right, the waterproof membrane is down. The seam is taped. And we're just compressing the very edges to make sure it has a good contact with the mortar. And then tomorrow we can tile. Yay! Today's
Yay.
January 17th. We've been in here about 6 weeks.
Not full time though.
No, since we moved in.
Oh, in here.
Yeah, in the house.
Okay, I thought you meant
So
this
in the
bathroom
house-
thing. Man, that's a long time.
In the house 6 weeks. And we have gutted, re-drywalled, painted, tiled. Now we're about to tile this floor. Completely redid this room, the living room, drywall, painted, crown molding, trim, oiled the hardwood floor. So not bad for 6 weeks.
We'll just recess it.
Oh wow, how perfect.
Yeah, and we'll see. So far, so good.
So we're dry fitting now.
Just to make sure we're in the right area where we need to be.
It's gonna be so pretty. good it's gonna match.
Yeah, especially that gray grout. It's not gonna take a lot away.
Gosh, it's hard to imagine how this bathroom used to look.
Yeah.
Oh, I think, you know what I think we should do? I think we should do one of those little tiny books where people like do the before and after, like just a picture book on a coffee table book of what the house looked like like when we first came with the paneling and the rotten wood. Yep. And then the after.
Gotcha.
So like maybe make it for ourselves for next Christmas.
This is the big test right here. Oh, so close, but it's not gonna make it. Okay, it makes it to the corner. Say what?
What do you mean?
Slide it. Might be able to just slide under and then notch around that. So let's see. See what I end up with.
Wow.
You still have a chance to switch colors around, like that really dark edge. If you want to blend it with another really dark edge, all you do is switch this lighter edge with that darker edge. You know, just we'll blend it together. Or if you're happy with the mix, you just leave it.
I like it.
Yeah, it's gonna be impossible.
So you're thinking about just like flipping?
Yeah, take that one.
Like, turn it around the other way.
Turn it into this reddish one here to where it's a bigger wet red spot. But I don't know if we really have to do that. Mm-hmm. It's just random that as we go. I mean, you have these grains here. Yeah, it would take some time. I think I like it.
So we just flipped that.
I mean, what difference does it make? It really doesn't really do anything.
I like it though. Yeah,
the random boards, the greens, it's like separation. You know, there's separate boards in place.
And look how it looks with the tile.
It'll look good with the gray. The gray's not going to be too much.
Nope.
It's just going to blend.
Yep. Ah, I'm happy.
Yeah. Where'd I get that mark? Because I was going to do it different, but now I'm back to the way I was going to do it. Okay. So I am doing it. Yes, this is how I do it. My wife hasn't made me an apron yet. Otherwise my front gets sick.
I love you. It's all dry fitted. It's gonna be amazing. It's 4:47 a.m.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right behind the door.
Yeah, I'll be done with this in just a few minutes.
Okay.
I'll open the door and you can watch.
Okay. This is gonna look so good. Okay, here's the bathroom reveal. 2 tile floors. New vanity. Tile backsplash. So pretty. Farmhouse lighting. Live edge shelving. all done. Very happy to have such a beautiful bathroom. Yes. Okay, now that the bathroom's done, we're starting on this little room. Duane's taken the trim off, but as you can see, the walls are in terrible shape.
Yep.
And there's cracks all over the place. Plus all the holes.
And this doorway has to be squared up. I don't know what people were thinking when they were building stuff like this. To let something like that go, that big old gap right there.
I know.
And I threw a level line. You can see where the level line is. I marked it. So that's where it needs to come down to. So I got to cut everything back. But I'm going to redo this trim. So I get it to square up as much as I can to a door that's not square. I'll put it in square to where when we do get the final door, it'll be fit.
Okay, I'll let you get back to work.